Let me bring you back, not too far back, just last Tuesday, to a small suburban town. Picture the sun rising over neatly manicured lawns. Sprinklers buzz softly, and a teenage boy named David scrolls through TikTok while shepherding his flock of robot lawnmowers. David wasn't exactly trending on Instagram, he wasn't an influencer, and definitely not royalty unless having the premium Spotify account. Being the youngest of 8 brothers meant he got stuck with chores nobody else wanted, like mowing lawns and rebooting the Wi-Fi router. But David had something special, an absurdly high follower count on his obscure harp music TikTok channel. His handle was Sheepish Strings. His life was simple but packed with critical lessons: patience while buffering, courage to survive the comments section, and faith that one day he'd hit the algorithm jackpot. When neighborhood dogs threatened his robo-flock, David didn't flinch. Armed with only a drone controller and unwavering confidence from years of gaming, he chased those pesky pooches right back to their yards. One day, his dad, Jesse, busy watching reruns of a cooking competition show, shouted,
"David, your brothers forgot their lunches. Again, Uber Eats won't deliver to a battlefield. Take them these sandwiches and see how many followers you can get live streaming from there."
Off went David, earbuds in, backpack stuffed with sandwiches and power banks, stepping onto a real-life war zone. The dreaded showdown between his local team, the Israelite influencers, and their rivals, the Philistine fanatics. Front and center was Goliath, an obnoxious 6'9" influencer famous for his gym selfies, flexing daily routines, and aggressively sponsored protein shakes.
Goliath live-streamed a challenge every morning and evening, shouting, "One-on-one basketball game. If you win, we'll promote your merch. If I win, you endorse my protein powder forever. 40 days straight. 0 takers." David arrived mid-rant, watching his brothers cower behind their phones.
Who's this oversized gym bro mocking our squad? Doesn't he know we have verified accounts?
Instant ridicule followed. His oldest brother snapped,
"Stick to your lawnmowers, Dave. This isn't your feed." But David's question went viral, reaching Saul, their reluctant captain, busy browsing motivational quotes on Pinterest.
"Relax, guys," David told the anxious group chat. "I've taken down angry dogs and handled Wi-Fi outages. This influencer is easy." Reluctantly, Saul handed him branded merch armor, but it was clearly 2 sizes too big and clashed with David's minimalist aesthetic, David said, sticking to his trusty sling. Homemade, 0 carbon footprint, obviously. David adjusted his selfie stick confidently.
You flex with followers. I come with faith and some killer engagement rates.
Seriously, you're coming at me with a fidget spinner?
One perfectly aimed biodegradable rock later, Goliath's live stream went dark. Mid-flex. #awkward. The stunned silence turned into cheers and viral TikTok duets overnight. The fanatics unfollowed immediately. Victory achieved, merch sales skyrocketed. David's viral moment wasn't just about clout, it was about heart, aligned with something bigger than online fame. And while David did go on to become king of the local Discord server and pen some legendary Spotify playlists, his greatest legacy remained bravery, authenticity, and reminding everyone that sometimes the smallest steps can lead to the biggest viral hits. But David's life wasn't without its bumps. He faced the ultimate challenge when a jealous rival, King Saul, attempted to shadow ban him on every platform. David responded with class, posting acoustic covers that won the hearts of fans all over again. Eventually, David upgraded from shepherding robot lawnmowers to managing a fleet of self-driving electric cars, still guided by his trusty drone controller, of course. His platform grew, and he became an advocate for digital detoxes, mindfulness breaks, and yes, still occasionally mowing lawns just to keep it real. David reminded everyone that true leadership is not measured by followers or likes, but by integrity, humility, and the courage to stand up to the biggest bullies, whether they're gym bros or algorithmic bots. So next time your challenges seem giant, just remember David. A kid with a sling, a dream, and an uncanny ability to trend at just the right moment. If this story inspired you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel Throne and Kingdom. More humorous, faith-filled stories await, where the past meets the present with plenty of laughs. Stay brave, stay authentic, and keep trending.